Hey y'all, hope all is well. It's another beautiful day up here in North Carolina, and something came in the mail. I ordered this a week and a half or so ago, and it finally showed up, so I'm gonna open it up. If I can get through this. I must say it's very well packaged. Anyway, I'll show y'all what it is in a minute. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this apparently. Where'd that go? They used pieces of boxes for this thing. Oh well. We'll get it open. I'm going to try to save this box a little bit to send back just in case it ain't the right one. You never know. The way people list things nowadays, and the way people tell you what you want to hear, but we'll see. Definitely made sure it wasn't coming out on the way, I'll tell you that much. Wow, I'm using the corner things in the box, that's good. Bag of hardware. And what appears to be a swivel seat base. They said it was used. It don't appear to be from first glance, but hey, whatever. So now this seat can turn around and I won't have to put a recliner in it like I did in this one. You never know. I may anyway. Especially since there's not going to be a cabinet right there. That one might be able to turn around. I don't know. All kinds of options and possibilities. But yeah, that's what I got. Got me a swivel base. I'm going to take this seat out and test fit it and see if it works. See if it fits and all that. And if so, yay. Well, that's what I'm up to today. I'm going to test fit the swivel seat base and hopefully try to get that box stuck out of here. I've been saying that for a few days, but you know, things come up. Anyway, hope all is well. Until next time, happy trails.